If you're searching for a hassle-free way to make money online, selling digital products might just be the perfect fit. This method eliminates the need for inventory storage, shipping logistics, or handling customer service. Better yet, digital products can be sold repeatedly without much maintenance, creating a passive income stream that works for you around the clock. This video will outline every step to help you successfully launch your digital product business. From crafting your products to selecting a platform and marketing effectively, you'll have all the tools you need to start earning with ease. Why sell digital products? Selling digital products offers unmatched flexibility and potential for profits. Here's why this approach is so popular among online entrepreneurs today. High profit margins. No production or shipping costs eat into your earnings. Passive income potential. Once you've created a product, you can sell it endlessly with minimal effort. Scalability. No physical inventory means unlimited growth potential. Freedom. Work from any location at any time. Variety. Digital products come in countless forms, such as ebooks, online courses, templates, graphics, and music. A step-by-step guide to selling digital products. Find your niche and generate product ideas. Start by identifying a niche that aligns with your passions, skills, and market demand. A strong niche serves as the backbone for your success. Popular topics include the following: personal growth, marketing and entrepreneurship, fitness and wellness, arts and design, graphics, photos, music, educational content, lifestyle hobbies. Once you've picked your niche, brainstorm specific digital products that resonate with that audience. For instance, create an ebook, vlog series, or tutorial. Design customizable templates for planners, social media, or websites. Develop stock assets like fonts or royalty-free music. Pro tip: use trend research tools, such as Pinterest or Google Trends, to explore topics your target audience is already searching for. Craft your digital product. Creating high-quality and professional digital products is vital for earning customer trust. Here's how to get started based on your product type. Ebooks and PDFs. Write your content in Word or Google Docs, then save it as a polished PDF. Online courses. Design presentations in Canva or PowerPoint and use screen recording tools like Loom or OBS Studio to add lessons. Templates. Platforms like Canva, Adobe Photoshop, or Figma are ideal for creating user-friendly designs. Graphics and art. Tools like Procreate or Adobe Illustrator make designing smooth and straightforward. Music and audio. Record soundtracks or effects in GarageBand or Audacity, keeping quality crisp. Your final product should either solve a problem, teach something new, or deliver clear value based on your niche's needs. Choose a selling platform. Selecting the right platform ensures your products are easy for customers to find and purchase. Here are excellent options to consider. Platform, best for, features. Stand Store, solo entrepreneurs and creators, extremely simple customization options. Etsy, creative products like printables, access to a targeted audience for niche products. Gumroad, membership-driven creators, hassle-free payment system integration. Shopify, full e-commerce stores, integrates with apps and offers high customization. Sellfy, selling digital and subscription content, built-in marketing and analytics tools. To start, focus on setting up one platform well, then expand to others as you scale. Build an eye-catching storefront. Your storefront should make an excellent first impression and guide visitors to take action. Here's how to refine it. Use descriptive, engaging product names. Write clear descriptions that emphasize benefits. Include clean, professional-looking images or preview videos to showcase the product. Set fair but competitive pricing and consider bundling products for additional value. Make checkout seamless with secure payment options like Stripe or PayPal. Market effectively to attract buyers. Even the best product won't sell if no one knows about it. Use these strategies to promote your digital products. Social media. Post engaging content on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. Tap into the latest trends to gain visibility. Email lists. Build and nurture an email audience through tools like ConvertKit or MailChimp. Share exclusive offers and updates. Influencer collaborations. Partner with influencers or content creators in your niche to expand your reach. Content creation. Write blogs, produce demo videos, or host webinars to drive organic traffic. Advertise. Launch targeted campaigns using Google or Facebook ads. Freebie tip. Offering discounts, previews, or free limited-use versions can encourage first-time customers to give your products a try. Automate and refine. Keep your business low maintenance by automating repetitive tasks like product delivery and customer follow-ups. Tools like Gumroad and Sellfy handle these seamlessly. Use analytics to track sales trends and improve your approach. Collect and showcase reviews from satisfied customers to boost your credibility. Over time, update your products and consistently launch new ones to keep your store fresh and appealing. Recommended platforms for selling digital products. Platform, ideal for highlight. Stand Store, simple storefronts, works well for solopreneur businesses. Etsy, specialty niche shoppers, accesses enthusiasts for custom-made digital goods. Gumroad, creative professionals, offers subscriptions and linguistic pay-what-you-can features. Shopify, feature-packed online merchants, great for scaling through custom plugins too. Final thoughts. If you're serious about making money online without the stress of traditional business models, selling digital products is an unrivaled opportunity. It may sound like an easy path to passive income, but putting effort into creating valuable products and marketing effectively will ultimately make the difference. What's stopping you? Start brainstorming your first product idea. Pick a platform and take your first steps toward financial independence with digital products. Your future customers are waiting. Happy creating.